The Thuja green giant is a maintenance-free privacy tree that's drought-tolerant, requires no fertilizer, and no pruning. After its roots take hold, it will survive on rainfall alone. The perfect hole is going to be 3 times the size of the ball of the tree, and just as deep. After placing the tree, fill in the area around the hole with the soil you removed, and tamp it down. Finally, water the tree around the base with a hose while counting to 20, and then mulch it over. It's important to keep the soil moist, but not soggy. Thujas will not do well if they sit in standing water, so avoid planting them in low areas of your yard where water can collect. If your tree is not getting sufficient water from rainfall, water it every other day. After 2 weeks, you can begin watering it every 3 days. After which, you can water it once per week until the tree is fully established at 6 months. Generally, Thuja green giants do not need to be fertilized. But if you'd like, you can give them a boost once or twice a year with a well-balanced, slow-release fertilizer in the early spring or early fall. Follow these steps, and you'll be sure to enjoy your Thuja green giant for years to come.